Hi guys, hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Inga and my topic is painting in watercolor. So during our today's tutorial, during my other tutorials, I will teach you how to paint pretty simple illustrations in a watercolor style. So if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil, or just regular watercolor paper and paints, and let's paint all together. Well, I think we are ready, and our today's class will be about painting these lovely macaroons. And guys, I hope you're ready, and if so, you can grab your Apple Pencil, iPad, or just regular watercolor paper and paints, and let's start painting. But before we start doing that, guys, if you like my class, if you want to see more tutorials, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's go. So I'm gonna use this watercolor palette that I created especially for Skillshare classes. It's called Valentine's for You. If you want, I can leave the link in the description of the tutorial, and you can go and check that. And speaking about watercolor brushes, I will use my new True Watercolor brush set, this one. And guys, of course, if you have your own watercolor brush set, go ahead, use it. Same if you want to use native Procreate brushes, you also can do that. You can go to paint and set, artistic set, and grab the brushes that are very similar to a watercolor. Okay, great. Almost done. Let's create one more layer, and I want to paint the ribbon. And for ribbon, I grab this light pink color. Slightly darker color. Create one more layer, and now we need to paint the middle part, and I will go and grab this orange color first, even purple one. Now I want to duplicate our layer and make it not that transparent. So in this way, I will go duplicated layer, I will merge it together, duplicate one more layer, also merge it together like that. Duplicate and merge all of it together. One more layer on the top. This lowers the opacity of our sketching layer, like that. And I will press clipping mask. Now I can paint just on our area which is selected, and I will go and grab moonstone splashes. Now my aim is to add different shades and color variations. maybe even some blue shades. I like when the painting is not what we expect them to see. So here underneath you'll have different shades like that. Okay, I like it. If you like, you can duplicate it, make it even more bright, more vibrant. I like it. So I will merge it together and merge together and create one more layer, and it's automatically in a clip and mask mode. Now I will go and switch the brush to another one. And we can grab stem brush, something like that. If you like, you can make it even more saturated. I think this would be fine. Create one more layer. Maybe grab red color. Okay, this stamp is too big. So let's control the size of that. And you see it's very authentic. And maybe grab this watercolor stamp 19. Flip vertical. You can duplicate that, make it more saturated, merge together. Maybe not that bright. Okay, and here you can make it brighter. Okay, like that. Merge that together. If you like, you can make it even more saturated, like this. Okay, merge together and merge together with the original layer. Now we can add some tiny shades, and I will go and change the brush. And my aim is to add those shiny, tiny shades. Don't forget, you need to paint on a new layer, because in case if you want to remove the opacity, you need to be on a new layer. Definitely. Okay, now you can control the opacity, make it more saturated, less saturated, like this. And you might turn off your sketching layer if you want so. If you want, you can keep it that way. Guys, it's all up to you. Well, that's extremely beautiful. Now my next step is I want to add some shade, some background, and this way I will merge it together, create one more layer underneath, and I want to go and grab light blue color. Let me choose stamp. I have the stamp and I'm gonna use this one. Right now. If you want, you can turn it upside down in this way. And you might add some tiny shades to that. So in this way you press select, and now you can paint on our selected area, switch to another brush, Boom on Stone Splashes, grab a slightly darker color. You can make it even more saturated. Merge together, Blue Sapphire Splash Blender. And you can just blend some sharp, tiny parts